If you're experiencing SS10 error in Snapchat using Android phone, then this might be caused either by network issue or Snapchat server being down. In this video, I will show you some fixes to solve this problem. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Tuning Advanced Network Settings. Open Settings app, scroll down to the bottom, and open Developer Mode. Under the Networking options, turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling and mobile data always active. It will enhance the network performance and ensure stable network connection. Solution 2. Checking internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 3. Update Snapchat. Check out for any available updates for Snapchat on Play Store. If an update is available, install it. Solution 4. Clearing app cache. Open Settings, go to the app settings, find out Snapchat and tap on it. Open the storage menu and tap on Clear Cache. If the problem still persists, check out if the Snapchat server is down to do this. Open any browser on your device, go to downdetector.com. Here, search Snapchat in the search bar, then tap on Snapchat menu, and it will give you the current status of Snapchat server. And there you have it. I hope trying out these methods will fix the error. If this video was helpful to you, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos on Snapchat, and I'll see you in the next one.